Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
This video shows how to remove a lock from Google Play Store settings. You will need the device, the Google account email, and any lock PIN. If two-step verification is active, have access to your secondary device. These steps cover removing parental controls, purchase authentication, and app locks. Follow each step carefully and restart the device when prompted for changes. If you cannot remember a PIN, use account recovery or factory, reset only as last resort. Open the Google Play Store app on the device you plan to unlock. Tap your profile icon, then go to Settings and select Family. Enter the 4-digit parental controls PIN and toggle parental controls off. If Family Link manages the account, open the Family Link app on the parent device. Use the parent account to remove supervision, then sync the child device to apply. Restart the device after changes to ensure Play Store reflects the new settings. Open Play Store settings and tap Authentication for Purchases to manage purchase locks. Select Require Authentication for Purchases, then choose Never to disable password checks. To remove device app locks, go to Device Settings, Apps, and disable Secure Lock if available. For third-party app lockers, open that app and use its Uninstall or Disable option. If fingerprint or PIN is required for purchases, remove it under Google Account Payment Settings. After changes, reboot the phone and confirm you can access Play Store without the lock.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.